Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best electric hand planer under $200 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the OIMG 1100W electric planer. The planer operates on AC power, which provides a consistent and reliable energy source. This is particularly advantageous for extended use, as I don't have to worry about battery life diminishing mid-project. Plugging it in and getting straight to work without interruptions has been a huge time saver. Weighing in at just 3.2 kg, this planer is incredibly lightweight. This makes it perfect for handheld use, reducing fatigue during prolonged sessions. Despite its lightness, it feels solid and durable, providing confidence that it can handle tougher tasks. One of the standout features is its maximum planing depth of 2 mm. This depth is ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks, from smoothing rough lumber to precise trimming. The ability to adjust the depth easily allows for greater control and precision, ensuring a high-quality finish every time. Designed for a 220 volts power supply, this planer is perfect for both household and professional use in regions with this voltage standard. At number 2 is the Makita M1902B electric planer. One of the first things I noticed about the Makita M1902B is its power source. It operates on DC power, which is quite standard for handheld electric planers. The rated voltage is 220 volts, ensuring it has enough juice to handle demanding tasks. With a rated input power of 500 W, the planer delivers a robust performance, and the no-load speed of 16,000 RPM means it can tackle even the toughest wood with ease. The planer weighs 2.7 kg, which is a good balance between being lightweight enough for extended use and heavy enough to provide stability during operation. The ergonomic design is a standout feature, ensuring that it fits comfortably in my hand and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The build quality is impressive, with durable materials that can withstand regular use. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinetry, or general woodworking projects, this planer can handle it all. It's suitable for a variety of wood types and surfaces, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. At number 3 on our list is the PATUOPRO Rechargeable Electric Planer. One of the standout features of this electric planer is its power source. It runs on an 18 volts battery, making it compatible with Makita 18 volts batteries, which is incredibly convenient if you already own Makita tools. This compatibility ensures that I didn't need to purchase additional batteries, saving me both time and money. The PATUOPRO planer is equipped with a brushed motor. While brushed motors are often seen as less advanced than their brushless counterparts, this one offers reliable performance and is perfectly suited for home DIY and woodworking projects. I found it to be consistent and powerful enough for my needs. With a no-load speed of 15,000 revolutions per minute, this planer delivers quick and smooth planing. The high speed ensures that the wood surface is even and smooth after each pass, reducing the amount of sanding needed afterward. The speed also helps in tackling harder woods without much effort. Moving up at number 4 is the Bosch GHO6500 GHO1082 Professional Wood Planer. One standout feature of this planer is its customization capabilities. Whether I'm working on intricate details or larger surfaces, the ability to adjust settings according to my specific needs enhances both accuracy and productivity. Weighing in at just 3 kg, this planer strikes a perfect balance between sturdiness and portability. I found it easy to maneuver, making it suitable for on-site jobs as well as workshop projects. Available in both 650W and 710W models, this planer caters to different power preferences without compromising on performance. The 220 volts rated voltage ensures compatibility with various electrical systems, making it suitable for woodworking enthusiasts worldwide. The Bosch GHO6500 GHO1082 operates on AC power, ensuring consistent performance even during extended use. This reliable power source is essential for maintaining efficiency in professional woodworking projects. At number 5 is the ONEVAN 30,000 RPM brushless electric planer. One of the standout features of the 30,000 RPM brushless electric planer is its versatility. Whether you're tackling hardwood or other materials, this tool proves to be a reliable companion. Crafted with durability in mind, the aluminum base plate of the electric planer provides a sturdy foundation for seamless operation. Paired with a V-shaped guide groove design, it offers unparalleled accuracy, guiding my cuts with precision and consistency. Comfort and safety are non-negotiables in any woodworking endeavor, and the 30,000 RPM brushless electric planer prioritizes both. The soft rubber handle not only enhances comfort during extended use but also provides better control, minimizing hand fatigue and maximizing productivity. Moreover, with manual control switch and lock button features, I could operate the tool with confidence, knowing that safety was never compromised. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.